Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Xbox One controller. So yeah, and this is in my old house. So if your controller isn't turning on, you want to check inside of the controller. Doesn't look anything, but now look. Your battery is probably like flipped up. See how it's like all the way up and this one's down? What you want to do is you want to buy this kit right here. It's a tiny thing. So then you just want to try to open it. Hard to open. Right, so we got the charger out for the two batteries. Oh wait, one of my chargers fell. Oh my gosh! Right, you got your charger, right? This is the charger to like plug the batteries in. Yeah, this is to like plug the batteries in there to charge. Oh look, it even comes with one of these. So you like put it back on your controller like that. Cool. And it comes with another one. Let me get that out. Oh no, it comes with, so this is what comes in the kit. If you don't have all this, you better go get your money back and buy a new one, okay? This is what it comes with. Charger, 2 batteries, and 2 little back pieces. If you don't have that, I suggest you go get your money back. What you want to do next is you want to grab a battery and place it in like so. Okay, you want to get one of these things if you don't already have one. But unless you do have one and you just need a battery, go buy one. Then you grab this thing and you shove it in like this. This is hard. I haven't done this for a while. Alright. Like that. See? So you got this. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. So I got my controller fixed. I'm gonna plug this in like so. Again. Sorry for my hand. That's mine. Plug this in. My controller was just like a little jammed, so I could fix that. It was like stuck. Alright. These are actually hard. Harder than I remember. My other ones are like so easy to put in. So let me try with my right hand. One by line. I just did it, so I just don't know why. These are hard. Gotta get it. Alright, there you go. But like that. You got your controller, you know, and then it's gonna feel better, like that. Then what you want to do is you want to undo this. Let me undo this real quick. You want to go like this. You just want to twist it. Okay. And now you got your plug. Then what you want to do is you want to get this piece. You want to plug it into the controller like so. Okay, so whoa, the controller fell. Hope this thing doesn't break. Alright, we'll just want to plug it in. Might be a little difficult. I mean, it's going to be a little difficult just because you got it and it's brand new, so it's probably going to be a little difficult, you know? I just don't know which way it goes. Okay. Comment down below if you know how to plug this thing. Oh, there you go. So you got that. And then you want to get a plug. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to grab all your stuff. And sorry if there's noise because my mom's here, my brother and sister. So you want to grab your stuff.
These are all first edition plates.
You want to grab one of these.
I have one around my house.
She gave you permission to keep it.
Sorry for all this.
Everything in that house.
Okay. So what you want to do is you want to grab one of these. Like that. Then you want to get this big old fat piece right here. and plug it into this. Like this. Let's see if I can actually. Okay, got it like that. Grab all your stuff again. Whoa. Okay. Now you just want to plug all this until it's like that. Okay? So that's all you have to do. Peace out, guys. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to say something. Please subscribe and like this video. Turn on notifications so you never miss another one of my videos. Peace out. Bye.